What's up, Kweety Tribe? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Shakila. For those who do, welcome back. So as y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna be getting y'all hip to my hair mask. You know, the hair mask that I be making. Back in like school days, I used to just make a hair mask out of mayonnaise and an egg, a raw egg. Sometimes I add oil to it, but that was it. So I added some stuff, changed some stuff, all that type of stuff. And I'm trying to be more consistent with my hair, but I'm about to do this hair mask because I had these braids for 2 months, and although I kept my hair moisturized and hydrated and stuff as much as I could, my hair is like tricky, baby. It's tricky. It's very tricky. So as much as I could, I tried. It really been 2 months, like literally exactly 2 months. Some braids is actually a little over 2 months because I did my own hair, so I don't do my hair in 1 day or 2 days. With braids, my hair, and these are long. These are long. I'm 5'9", and these touch the back of my knee. So do the math. But yeah, you don't see no pop off. Y'all need your hair done, hit me up. But yeah, I have on this big old t-shirt because usually I don't like doing my hair nor taking my hair down with clothes on. Like I wear broad panties, and that's like, I don't know what it is, but it's so uncomfortable when stuff is touching me when I'm doing my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna be posting a video on my TikTok, all my social medias, everything. If y'all don't know by now, then you know. But it's cool. It's cool. It's in the description. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep saying that. It's in the description. I'm gonna take my hair down off camera. I also gotta detangle my hair because I had this for 2 months. Like right there, I already know it's gonna be product buildup and like little cotton stuff. You feel me? So I'm gonna be detangling my hair off camera because this video ain't for detangling. It ain't for me taking my hair down. It's for my hair mask. Okay? I'm gonna show y'all what I be using and everything still. This is an old bottle. I just kept it because I use this to detangle my hair as well as my son's hair when we need some detangling. I be using a pack of Mielle, the deep conditioner, and then I use some castor oil. It's a 99% natural blend castor oil, and then I just put some water in it as well. Shake it up, and that's what I do. Just like a quick little 60-second story time. I have my moments where I be like, oh, I gotta do my hair. Like I really don't want to do my hair. You feel me? So I be having those moments. I'm sure people be wondering like, why won't I have somebody else do it? One of the many things that I've learned over the years is that energy can be transferred through hair as well as through your palm. Right? That's one thing. Then another thing is, shout out to my mama because she probably don't even know this, but she the reason. Alright, so boom. I always knew how to do my own hair. But summer before 7th grade, that's when I really started taking my hair serious. But it was things like braids and stuff that I didn't know how to do on my own hair. So I knew how to do sew-ins and ponytails and my wrap, all that. Like, yeah. If I ever needed braids, my mom would do that. So like the summer before 12th grade, she did me some box braids for the 4th. And that stuff was hurting so bad. Like I was crying myself to sleep. Used hot water so many times. That stuff was not working. Nothing was working. Like I never cried because my hair was so tight. Like I cried so hard. Like when I say it was tight, it was tight. Mama gave me a titty lift, okay? And I'm like, I know how to do braids on other people's hair. But when it came to me, I never tried it until that gave me the push that I needed to start doing it on my own hair. And once I did it, I'm like, yeah, it's a wrap. Like I want to be able to control my pain level because that stuff, it was hurting so bad. Yeah, I've been talking a little bit too much, so we about to get moving. Okay, y'all, so listen, I had to come back because so far I cut this much, right? I told my son, I said, look, he's like, oh, your hair is beautiful. Like, oh, thank you, but really though. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and basically right now I have avocado in a bowl, and it was frozen avocado because for some reason whenever I buy whole avocados, it don't come out right. So I bought a bag of frozen avocado and it's been unthawed, in this bowl. So yeah, I don't have a blender, but I do have a whisk. And then we're going to be using some Mayo. And then I have extra virgin olive oil. And then an egg. And, oh wait, I almost forgot honey. And I had it laying to the side because I barely have any left. They don't have any more at the store. As far as when I went the last time, they didn't have any more, but I really need to get some because I use honey for my tea. But I had to save that honey for this mask because I knew that I needed. So those are all the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of these together and I will be back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I got my hair washed and I used my shirt for it. It's so beautiful. So to wash my hair, I use the Mielle Exfoliating Shampoo. Let me just go ahead. If I'm being honest, I don't got no shower cap, but baby from the hood, so we're gonna be using bags. This is why I don't let my hair dry curly. Well, it's not nothing in it, so my scalp is pretty tender on me. But it be so extra crispy tender when I don't have nothing in it. I'm starting at the root and then I'm just going down. You feel me? Just rubbing it all down. And I don't mind this getting on me or anything because I'm about to get in a tub. So yeah, but I don't like using gloves because I like feeling my curls and feeling where I'm detangling at. I want to be able to feel what it is that I'm doing with my fingertips. My hair is really growing. Truth be told, I was gonna cut it again, but I'm really not. So I did the back. You know, I got beginning random flashback moments of like stuff from the past. Cause I tweezed my brows today. I'm trying to like stay away from tweezing them so skinny. So I remember like when I was in 10th grade and I was a high stepper. I don't know how the conversation started or anything like that, but I was saying how I first tweezed my eyebrows when I was in the 3rd grade, right? Which is very, very true. And my coach, she was like, I can't tell, right? Thank you for saying that. I said something like, why? Because they're not arched right now. And then she was like, yeah. Don't nobody who I went to high school with know that she started an admixture, okay? Because ever since then, I came with my eyebrows done the fuck up. I came with them done up, okay? Arched, filled in and everything. And at that time, that was when filling in your eyebrows literally just started being known. Like, I was the only person in my grade, but yeah, I was the only one who was, yeah, and there was a few 11th and 12th graders, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, shout out to my old coach, yeah. And if you went to school with me, you know, every day. This is tiny as fuck. My finger's too slippery. I can't pull it. Okay, whew, I think I get it. When my son come back, this is just another random thought, but when he come back, he gotta get his hair took down, washed, and deep conditioned. Now, with him, he ain't getting this in his head. I actually have this Mielle mask that I want to try, and I got 2 of them, one for me, one for him. So usually, depending on who need their hair done, that's who tries it first. So it's gonna be him trying it or whatever. So it's gonna be this one. This look like it smells good. First off, because it's rosemary mint, so I know it smells good. What's up, y'all? So it's currently the next day. I slept with the mask in my hair because after I got out the tub, well, honestly, while I was in the tub, I felt myself wanting to go to sleep. So I'm like, I'm not even about to fake. Like, I'm gonna get out, rinse that mask out, condition my hair, style my hair, and wait for it to dry so I could go to sleep. So right now I got conditioner in my hair and it smells so freaking good. I already showed y'all the shampoo that I use and it is the same conditioner. This is my first time using this conditioner. I've been had the shampoo, but I always used other conditioners with it because I already had other conditioners and I don't like buying extra conditioners until I'm done with what I have. But baby, this smells so good. All of my Mielle products smells so good. Like, but I'm gonna leave this in while I go make me something to eat and my tea and everything because I need it. Because like soon as I woke up, I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and then I rinsed that mask out, and then I conditioned my hair. Okay, so basically I'm done with this video, but of course I'ma still come back to let y'all know what I'm going to use to style my hair and everything. Like I said at the beginning of this video is strictly for my hair mask. It's not for anything else but that, but I still am going to show you guys what I use or whatever. So I have the Mielle Braid and Gel from the Rice Water collection. And then I have this pomade to oil treatment. We have this from the Rice Water collection. It's the moisturizing milk. And I also am going to be using the Castor Oil. This is just going to be to part. So it's going to be used for the scalp, just to part it. And then these are going to be put on my whole strand of hair. And then the oil is going to be to seal it. And I'm going to be using this for my edges. So my baby hairs, to do my little baby hairs. I never used this brand before. And y'all, this smells like, you see it's close? I never used this. Like I didn't use this yet. But it smells so freaking good. And when I say it smells so good, like it smells so good, like oh my goodness. Y'all know how something smells, and it's watermelon. You know how something smells so good, it smells like candy, so it's like, it smells so edible. That's what this smells like, oh my goodness. Y'all see that? The holding level is 7. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Click the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload. Check out my description so that you can check out my other social media platforms. Like I always say, stay tuned for more. And always remember to remain positive above all.